Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers who've been watching and haven't subscribed, been wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you should. That's all you have to do is hit that little button, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I would like to thank everyone for watching. Hope I've been a great help. Thank you for all the good comments you've been leaving. And today, a lot of people have been asking they can't get that grill onto their meat when they're grilling the meat. So today, I'll be grilling a nice big steak this time. I know I have one video, I think, on grilled steak, but it was the little ones. This time I have the big one. We're gonna try to get some prints on that, nice and good and easy, and hope it come out nice and good. You know, Mr. Belle likes to take you step by step. And I've been coming up with some nice good recipes, and you know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step on everything he do, how to cook in this Power XL. Also, you can also cook it in the oven too. It might take a little more time and everything, but this Power XL, just take a couple minutes. You can have your family cooking this Power XL, your kids, if you don't want them cooking on the stove, the fire, might be afraid, just let them hook up this Power XL and they can cook their meals in the Power XL. You might be at work, you might be a little tired, and if your kids know how to cook, they enjoy coming in the kitchen and cooking in the Power XL. That's all they have to do is look at Mr. Belle videos, because Mr. Belle take you step by step. So today we're gonna get started today on this grill right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this right here on grill and get it started. As you see, it's on grill. Set the temperature for 375, it's right there. And I'm gonna start it for 35 minutes. And the reason why I'm starting this first, because we're gonna put it on preheat. It's gonna preheat. I'm gonna press start. It's gonna preheat, circulate, and you know when it's time to add the food, it will make that sound, beep, and it'll make that sound like that. In the meantime, my ingredients is today is a nice healthy steak. As you see, it's nice and thick. We're gonna see how this come out today. As you see, I have a little fat on it. I'm gonna just cook it with that little fat right there. And I'm gonna just take my seasoning, my garlic salt, and just put it in this bowl right here like this. And matter of fact, that is 1/4 teaspoon. Garlic salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon steak seasoning. And the name of that steak seasoning is Mountain Grill. So if you ever wonder where you can get it at, you can get it at Sam's Club. They probably sell it in Walmart. You know Mr. Belle likes to stir all that up right there with his finger. As you see, get it all mixed up and everything. Get it like that. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little of it and I'm gonna just sprinkle it right on this steak just like this. As you see, it's coming on there nice and good. Like I said, this is my first time cooking one of these big ones on the grill in the Power XL like this. Hope it come out very good and delicious. You can have whatever you want on the side of it, or you can use whatever ingredients you want to use on this steak right here. And just like that, and I'm gonna do the back side the same way. I'm gonna just flip it over, just like this. Just like that, and just put this seasoning on it like that, and put it on, just like that, put it all on. So, you know, we want this steak to come out nice and good. We want it to be tasty, like that. And I'm gonna just rub that in, just a little, just rub that in just like that. I'm gonna just pat it today like that. Let it come out nice and good. I don't want to put too much. Like that, and put it like that. And when that beat, I will be putting it in. And while this is preheating, or this is cooking, you know, you have the dishes that you use and everything, what you put your meat on, you have the seasoning and everything. You can wash the dishes as the food is cooking. Don't save it for the spouse, don't save it for the kids, don't save it for your friend, don't save it for your roommate. Because everybody might not want to eat because they scared they have to wash the dishes and the food could be smelling good and they be hungry and everything. You know, kids and roommates, they be fussing, oh, it's your turn to wash dishes, it's your turn. But if you do it as you cook, when you mess it up, it make it easy for everyone. Okay, as you see, it stops circulating and it say add food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lift this up like this. And you heard the beep letting you know it's time to put it in. So I'm gonna take this right here and I'm just gonna put it in just like this and lay it down and close it and then let it just start cooking. Press start, and as you see, it's for 35 minutes. We're gonna be opening it up and see how it looks around 10 minutes or 8 minutes and see how it's coming out and everything, and it should come out pretty good. Okay, it's 28 minutes, so it's been 7 minutes. Like I said, I like to take you step by step. We're gonna open it up together. This is my first time opening it up. As you see, it's getting a little nice and brown on the front side of it and everything, and I'm gonna just lift this up right here just a little bit. And I'm gonna just flip it over, and I might flip it over about 2 or 3 times. And it's coming out pretty good. And I'm gonna close this back up and everything. As you see, it's coming out pretty good. Okay, it's been 21 minutes. So we're gonna look at it. As you see, it's coming out nice and good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna flip it on the back side. Just flip it over like that. Looking good. Close it and let it cook. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. I got 5 minutes left on here. We're gonna open this up together and I'm gonna take this out. As you see, it's looking nice, good, and brown. And I'm just gonna slice this open and see how this looks. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna cut it right here in the middle. See how you see it's medium red right now. So I'm gonna use the other 4 minutes and I'm gonna just put it right back in. A lot of you like it medium red, but I like mine well done. So I'm gonna set it right back in there like that. And I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna just let it start to use up to 5 minutes. Okay, the 35 minutes is up. We're gonna raise this up together and see what this look like. I'm gonna take it out. It's nice, good, and like I said, I like mine well done. It's looking good and everything. So I'm just gonna take this out just like this. Sit it right here and everything. In the meantime, I'm gonna press cancel right here. You can press cancel. And I'm gonna take this out because I like to take it out so it don't be too hot and everything. Sit it to the side. And I'm just gonna cut it off. Unplug it and cut it off. Raise it up and let it just cool off. And this right here, this is the grilled steak right here. You can see on both sides. The back side is looking good too. And that's looking good, the nice size steak. So, and I'm gonna leave it just like that. It's like I say, cook for 35 minutes. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. And if you're wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. And you know I have to taste it. I almost forgot to taste it and everything, so I'm just cut that piece right there. And I'm gonna taste it. And as you see, it's brown and the inside is cooked. It's cooked well done. And that is good. Tastes good, it's nice and tender. And that's the grilled steak.